about to see the first test flight after I replaced the ESC and motors in my Avata after it fell in the water. Did not realize my daughter's water table was full of water. It's not usually, even though it's called a water table. And I was trying to hit that little baby gap, did not hit it, and it was just right in the water. Ran over there, grabbed it, pulled it out, then pulled the battery off immediately, but I heard some crackling noises and the ESC was definitely frying. I wasn't sure if the motors were frying or not. They might be fine, but I replaced the motors too. I just got an ESC and motor combo kit from Cloud City Drones. You are here for the first test flight with the new ESC. Let's see if it doesn't fall out of the sky. I'm not sure if any of the other boards are damaged. They didn't look damaged. So far, so good. I gotta practice flying low and slow over concrete. I keep mowing the weeds. Thing smells like a lawnmower when I'm done. Let's go over this pole. Whoop! Ooh, over the power lines too. A little more juice from the battery than I remember. Maybe should dip all my batteries in the water. Ooh. Okay. Hop, 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 hop. Oh, that pool's full. Gotta get out of here. Gotta stay away from the friggin' water. Alright. We're just gonna come and chill right here. Well, looks like it works for now. I'll try not to fly it over anybody for a little while, just make sure it's not gonna fall out of the sky on somebody. See if I can fly it back in here. The home point has been updated. Got it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully if your Avata falls in the water, you'll be fine too, with a little bit of repair.